all about preparation and visualization, and then feeling the feelings that you want in the future. How are you going to feel when you have the body and the energy and the health that you want? Right? How are you going to feel? And then using those feelings to take the actions necessary right now to get you the results that you want with your health and fitness in the future, okay? You're worth it. So check it out. I'm going to tell you a quick story. I lost 250 pounds. As you can see that picture on the screen right there. I lost 250 pounds. I was really overweight. And the reason is because I was just a byproduct of the trauma that I experienced in my childhood. I was raped and I had all this trauma in my childhood. It was terrible. And then that carried over into my adult life and my relationships because I never unpacked the trauma. So I was never able to keep the weight off. And I just kept gaining more and more weight because I had the baggage of the trauma. So I had it on my body as well, right? So then as an adult, you know, I'm on drugs and all this stuff. And I also met a guy, and he was the one that finally made me wake up. I loved myself just enough to say, enough! I have had enough. I'm done with you. And symbolization was just like getting rid of this guy that beat me, called me fat, ugly, and stupid. It was really just getting rid of my old baggage. And he was the same way that he treated me, I treated myself. You know, he beat me up physically, but I beat myself up worse mentally and emotionally, okay? Because I had a lot of trauma. I felt worthless. I felt stupid. I felt ugly because of the rape and all the stuff that I went through as a child. And with my mental, that's why I created I'm Worth It Incorporated, right? Your pain has to get to the point where you're just like, enough! I'm going to do this, and this is over because I want my life back. I'm worth it. You are worth it. Once I unpacked the trauma and forgave myself, and forgave all the people that in my life that I felt had harmed me, and I quit the drugs and everything, that's when I've kept the weight off since 2007. I have never gained more than like 40 pounds back since then. I lost a total of 250 pounds. So I am not a doctor. I am not a medical professional, but I am the ultimate authority on mindset and how I can help you overcome any obstacle, including losing weight, eating revenge. The best revenge is success, self-esteem. There is no food that tastes as good as self-esteem feels. You are worth it. Eat revenge. Share this with a friend who wants to eat revenge. Visual aids help you lose weight. Okay, so I took pictures of myself and I was thinner, and I put them around my house. That's one of probably the best thing that I ever did. So my name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end. And I'm here to help you get your victories, legend. You're worth it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Visual aids help you lose weight. So you want to visualize in your mind how you want to look and how you want to feel. But also you want to have things like this. Get pictures of yourself. If you have never been, I seriously doubt that you were never thinner, but I guess anything's possible. So if you were never thinner, take your head and put it on somebody else's body, okay? Take that and make a picture. I have a tool for you. It's called Canva. I use it. It's free, but you can also get a paid Canva.
Paid version is much better. It's $15 a month. Got AI, all kinds of cool stuff.
Look on the screen. Those pictures on the screen, I also used Canva, and that was free. Okay, so you can take, when I put like a picture of myself like that, side by side with the big girl, that was made in Canva. Any of my thumbnails, all made in Canva. So check out Canva, and you can use that, and you can print them out too. You can take the stuff from Canva, you can print that out, put it on your fridge, put it on your mirror in your bathroom when you go to get ready. And then also, if you have Canva, it's the best way to use it, the quickest way to get stuff done on Canva is on your phone. So get the app on your phone, and then you can take that, the pictures of yourself, how you want to look, you can put it on your phone. And then you set a timer every time to look at the pictures, and then you can also have alarms going off during the day to either say your mantra to yourself, like, I am gorgeous, I am sexy, I weigh 110 pounds. You have to have reminders. You have to have something to keep you accountable, but you need visual aids. Put pants or dress or whatever it is, clothes around your house where you can see them in your living room, in your bathroom, everywhere that you can, or at least have it on your phone, your clothes that you gotta buy them. Buy clothes that are too small for you so that you can lose the weight and fit into them, and pick pictures on your phone. Get up, brush your teeth right away. Imagine the feeling, because when you look at yourself, when you look at that, for example, that was 2007 when I was that big. I had a picture of myself when I was in the army, and I was looking real good, so I put that on my fridge, and that made me feel good. I was like, I'm strong. I'm gonna be strong again. I'm gonna be strong enough to say no to this food, and I'm gonna feel great, and I'm gonna be able to play sports again. I'm gonna have fun with Zane and Riley, and I'm gonna have this energy, and I'm gonna feel so great about myself. I'm gonna be sexy. I'm gorgeous. And I kept telling myself, I can't wait to feel that way. And man, when I did, it was so amazing, and everybody was like, oh my God, I didn't recognize you. You look better than you did in high school. Wow. And because when I was in high school, I wasn't as big as I was at over 350 pounds. I was over 200, maybe 250 when I was in high school, but I got over 300, and people didn't recognize me, but people were always commenting on my weight and complimenting me. Wow, you look so great, and you look better than you did in high school. And I felt better too, because I was just like, I started to eat healthy, and I got rid of that I got rid of the trauma and the baggage from my childhood. I forgave myself. So visual aids help you lose weight. So use Canva for that. The link's below. Visual aids help you lose weight. You're worth it. Eat revenge. Nothing tastes better than self-esteem feels. You're worth it. Woohoo! You did it. You go, girl. Not too many people will say that when you lose 2 pounds. So you gotta celebrate yourself. Celebrate to lose weight. You're worth it, okay? That's it. Celebrate to lose weight. And guess what? Nothing tastes better than self-esteem feels. So remember that. Every time you go to eat revenge. You're worth it, okay? Celebrate yourself. That's the only thing I want to tell you from this episode. So no one else is going to cheerlead for you. You need to do it for yourself. Now, as you can see on the screen, I lost 250 pounds, okay? And I understand that the number one person that needs to celebrate me is me, because I cannot look to other people. Number one, if you live for likes, you will die without them. So if you're doing this to be looking good on social media, it's not gonna work. If you're doing this for your mom, your dad, your brother, your husband, whatever, girlfriend, boyfriend, it's not gonna work. Do it for yourself and celebrate yourself, okay? So whenever you have a milestone, say, write this down right now, okay? I'll wait. If you get a pen and paper, I'll wait. All right, so write this down. When I lose 5 pounds, I'm gonna get those pair of jeans or that dress that I wanted, okay? That's just an example. That's what I did. I rewarded myself with clothes. So you have to set up rewards in advance. That will keep you going, okay? That will keep you going towards your goals when you don't feel like taking your walk, or you don't feel like working out with Richard Simmons or whatever. Also, you have to keep going on your daily goals. So when you got your daily goals met, every day that you meet your health plan, your meal plan that you set out in advance, we'll talk about that later. Every day that you move your body, right? Every day that you moved your body and you met your meal plan, then you say, okay, I did that today. You know what? Today I'm going to shut up my phone and I'm going to watch a movie. Or I'm going to what I like to do is I would say I'm shutting up my phone and everything for a whole day. I'm not answering any calls or anything. I'm just keeping the phone off, and I'm going to take a whole day for me. I'm going to take a 2-hour, 3-hour bath or whatever I feel like at the time. I'm going to pamper myself. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to journal, write in my gratitude journal. Every milestone, when I lose 5 pounds, I'll do this. When I lose 10, when I lose 20, when say you have an overall goal of losing 100. When I finally lose that 100 pounds, I'm going to lose another 350 and I'm going to dump my ex. That's what I did. That was one of the best rewards I ever gave myself. Anyway, reward yourself. You are worth it. And guess what? You can do anything you want to do. And if you want to do it badly enough, you'll find the way. And I will help you find the way. Or my name isn't Liberty V justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legend. Enjoy whatever it is that you do. You want to lose weight? Enjoy it. Just motion. Move your body and have fun. Move your body. Move your body. Rock that body. Come on now, rock that body. The Black Eyed Peas. I'll put the link to that below. I will also put the iTunes link for Richard Simmons, Sweating to the Oldies. So you can, if you want to just listen to it while you're walking or running or whatever you do. Richard Simmons, he helped me lose weight. It was fun. Do something fun. You can walk, it's free. Motion is emotion. So come on now, do the locomotion. Walking is free. You can listen to the music that I'm putting the playlist below of Richard Simmons and the other playlists that I'm going to put in the links below. Watch Richard Simmons' YouTube channel, which is also free. Put that below. And when you work out, guess what? You get better emotions because it's free to work out. You also get free drugs. Oxytocin. It makes you feel like you're in love, and it makes you feel like you have more love you can give to others, and you love yourself more. Endorphins, and also melatonin, which helps you sleep. All right? You're worth it. Motion is emotion. You're mad that people call you fat? Take a walk. You walk, you get over that, you get a better emotion. It comes from oxytocin, endorphins. Okay, you get melatonin and you sleep better. Motion is emotion, so do emotion. Subscribe right now to my YouTube channel. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm hating it. And I actually lost a lot of the weight while I was working at McDonald's. Nothing tastes as good as self-esteem feels. And I want to help you. Health and fitness are my passion. I am not a doctor, but I really want my family to eat healthy, and I want everybody to be a healthy weight and have energy and just love yourself and be happy and know how gorgeous you really are, okay? Because God says so, and I'm here to relay the message, okay? You're worth it, okay? So people get so annoyed at me because I have so much energy, but if you're on my YouTube channel, I know you're loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, you're loving it. Small steps lead to success. So replace to lose weight. Erase, replace. I'm not going to tell you every single thing you need to replace because you already know, but I'm going to give you a few hints because I'm going to keep it simple. The first thing I did was I cut out my carbs and my soda. Quit soda completely and replace it with water and, green tea and stuff like that. It's better to just drink a lot of water because you need to hydrate to lose weight, because actually a lot of times I will eat too much and I will crave sugar when I don't drink enough water. But you need to replace whatever you put mindlessly, you put sugar in. Coffee, or if you're drinking soda, there's way too much sugar in soda. My grandma used to tell me, if you just quit the soda, you would lose a lot of weight. Man, she was right. But I also cut out a lot of carbs. For example, I'm not a vegan or a vegetarian. I occasionally eat like a burger or meat or something. And when I do eat something like that, or a vegan burger or whatever, when I eat meat, I don't put it on bread or a burger. Honestly, because it takes up so much space in my stomach. Number one, I have celiac disease, so I could eat gluten-free, but I don't need bread. I don't really, once in a while, it's okay, but I don't really crave it because carbs make me tired. That's one thing I noticed, that carbs make me tired. And so, but when I'm eating bread, it takes up more space, and I can't eat my favorite snacks like Navitas. So replace snacks with, sugary snacks with no sugar snacks. They're actually gluten-free, no sugar, and they're vegan as well. They got nuts, seeds, all this good, chia seeds too, sunflower seeds and stuff, and they're just so delicious. Those are my favorite snacks that I just mentioned, and also the pure gum that helps with anxiety. So basically, you just have to replace. When you eat a burger, you know what I do when I eat a burger? I put it on top of a salad. It's delicious. Burger, fish, whatever, either put it in my salad, put my dressing on it, or I just wrap it up in lettuce if I don't really need to. I don't even need that sometimes. I will eat salad most days. Embrace, replace, embrace, new face. Come on, if you want to embrace your new face, you got to replace, okay? You don't need to get rid of everything altogether. Some things you do, but just replace them. Replace sugary snacks with the snacks I mentioned and other delicious, healthy snacks, nutritious snacks, and replace carbs and replace your sugary drinks like soda and coffee. The best revenge is massive success, and nothing tastes better than self-esteem feels. Number 2, visual aids help you lose weight. Put pictures of yourself of how you want to look around the house and on your phone and set alarms. Motion is emotion. Work out. I don't like the word workout. Do something you love. Richard Simmons, motion is emotion. You gotta feel the way that you want to feel and then go out there and do that action to create that emotion, okay? So, rewards. Reward yourself. Celebrate yourself because nobody else is going to. Put down milestones of how much 5 pounds, I'm going to reward myself this way. 10 pounds, I'm going to reward myself this way. But reward yourself every day that you stuck to your plan because that's the only way you're going to keep going, all right? So, and then, like I said, this one, replace. Embrace new face. If you want to embrace a new face, then you got to replace, all right? Replace unhealthy foods with healthy foods, all right? You're worth it. You want energy? Then talk to me, okay? What's your name? My name is Liberty V Justice. And there's no period in my V because my victories never end. And I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. You are worth it. Good food, good mood. On Liberty's YouTube.